Stiffy tool is a safe, lightweight, and durable powder-actuated tool that stands up to rigorous job site conditions. Built with a sealed barrel, the Stiffy tool is quiet. The noise has nowhere to go except to the front of the tool where it belongs.
We've been using the Stiffy tool on this project since the beginning. We are now on the 20th floor. We're installing these hangers pretty much without ladders. I'm installing over 140 hangers per floor in 2 days, including layout. So it's been very productive, a lot faster than laying out a deck, installing deck inserts, and then coming down below, looking for inserts, tipping them out, and installing the hanger.
The patented standoff spacer forces the piston into a firing position. When the tool is fired, the piston travels with the fastener into the substrate as a single force, reducing spalling and assuring a more secure and consistent attachment. The tool is easy to clean, and no tools are required for standard maintenance. Unscrew the nose piece. Remove the piston and scrub the tool with the wire brush provided in the cleaning kit. Use the lubricant where required and reassemble. It's that easy. When we designed the Stiffy tool, safety was our primary concern. When a fastener is inserted into the tool, there is never a live load in the chamber. Live loads are only chambered when the tool is manually advanced. As an additional safety feature, this tool cannot be fired downward. The Stiffy tool is the workhorse powder actuated tool in the construction industry.